Chanel was founded in 1909, 106 years ago. Once upon a time, Gabriel Chanel opened a hat shop at the ground floor of a businessman's flat. Chanel had many opportunities to meet women of fashion, upon whom the rich men displayed their wealth as hats, clothes, and jewelry. Chanel sold the hats that she designed to many wealthy women of status and fashion, making a living out of it. She had a unique taste for fashion and she designed many new hats, clothes, and jewelry, launching a new century of fashion. Coco Chanel is a high fashion house that specializes in ready-to-wear clothes, luxury goods, and fashion accessories. As a fashion designer, Chanel catered to women's taste for elegance in dress. Jewelry of simple design that replaced the over-designed and constrictive clothes. This is one of the famous little black dress that she had designed, which she had quoted, "A woman without a little black dress has no future." Gabriel Chanel. Chanel targets users from all walks of life. Gabriel Chanel believes that the fashion has no specific target group. Chanel has 310 Chanel boutiques worldwide and is one of the many companies that uses the ERP system as its business information system. The ERP system includes the Transaction Processing System, Management Information System, and Decision Support System. It also features a set of integrated software modules and a central database that enables data to be shared by many different business processes. Since Chanel has so many outlets and employees worldwide, it is very important for them to have an ERP system in place. As the ERP system will help them to increase business operational efficiency, as it enables information entered in one process to be immediately available for another process. This helps Chanel to manage complicated and worldwide information efficiently. It also helps to ensure that all its data are available to all their outlets worldwide to support decision making. The ERP system also provides firm-wide information, and Chanel will be able to provide rapid responses to customers' requests for information of products. It has analytical tools to evaluate overall organizational performance, and the ERP system helps to standardize system. Chanel also uses the ERP system to plan sales accurately. So firstly, the transaction processing system will supply summarized transaction data to the management information system at the end of a certain time period. Then the marketing and sales department will then gain access to the data and predict future sales. The sales department will then inform the production department on the quantity to manufacture according to what they have predicted. And the sales department will also come up with the prices of the products, and the production department will get back to the accounting department with the bill of the raw materials and for them to record it down in the general ledger and financial reports of Chanel. Chanel also uses the ERP system to get back quickly to customers about their requests like stocks availability, which is important. With a centralized database which updates its inventory worldwide once there is changes, Chanel's sales and marketing department will be able to get back to customers' requests quickly. Another feature of the ERP system is that it extends beyond the boundaries of Chanel to suppliers and customers. With this feature, Chanel will be able to exchange electronically various business documents like invoice, billing, etc. This is what a traditional database looks like, with many repeated files. Before using the information system, Chanel has many overlap and redundant data due to its large number of branches worldwide and large company scale. Also, data key-in might be inconsistent and inaccurate due to complicated and large data of the company. The ERP system helps to reduce data redundancy as there is only one set of data that the whole company shares, and data key-in will be consistent. Before using the information system, Chanel's database is lack of data sharing and availability, especially when it's an international and big organization and data sharing is difficult and complicated. With the ERP system in place, data can be accessed firm-wide easily, and this also helps information to be retrieved easily.
Created using Powtoon.